Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can basically share posts in multiple Facebook groups by just doing it once. Simply open up the Facebook on your mobile, and then after that you can see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, let's say you want to share this particular post. Click on this share, and then after that click on this groups, and now from over here you guys can just simply start sharing it as many groups as you want, and you can search for the group as well. As you can see, now if you select any group here, you can see it will share on that group. You can do that one by one, and you can easily share it in all these groups. So once you select the group, you just have to tap on this post in the top right corner. Now simply repeat this process in every group you want, and that's how you can do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.